that's what Katniss came for.
In the basement? Exactly. You tell them, Robert. You tell them. Yeah.
His face.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
No, they are my chicken nuggets.
Mama, получи. What? What?
Some medicine.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Somebody come get her. She dancing like a street.
Come on, guys. Kane, let's go.
When do we want them? Meow.
May I have your smelly bird?
Mom.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Mimi! Hey!
All of you on one hand. My God.
No, he's gonna make it.
Oh.
No, you asshole.
Oh, that's good.
Are you spicy?
Oh.
Gracie!
Oh.
This on a poster. You know how like a lot of work, like.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we see it.
Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow.
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.
Where's the catnip?
That's dip.
Who's Kevin?
Kevin!
She was a fairy.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
He said I love you perfect. I love you.
Titingnan mo yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private vehicle.
Max, I knew you.
Bruh.
Real. Explain this.
What? Is your food bowl empty?
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Let it go. Let it go. MJ.
JP.
Oh no.
Jump! Come on! Whoa!
I know.
You fucker.
Oh my god! You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
What are you doing?
Bitch, yeah.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Hey, come here, come on.
Give me the photo.
What on earth is going on?
Stop. I'm literally just trying.
Ves, me le chilo de